what's impressed me most about that last shot was just realizing that there is no light. This is just like pitch black. If you don't provide the lighting,
Yes.
there's nothing.
Yeah.
I mean,
This was
that seems like a. I mean, obviously the magnitude of this cave is enormous. This thing is huge. Uh, how do you? I mean, I guess you relied on their expertise, knowing what type of lights to bring.
yeah, we know from them that it's going to be a bigger room, which has to be lighted nicely just to look good in the video in the virtual tour. So we provide some lighting. They provide some lighting with with smaller for the smaller parts,
Yeah,
and we moved the lights as we keep on scanning.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we this main entrance had that was the only light before going. The previous one with me in blue in the trolley was further down. This was the only place that had like a bit of light. We first did a tour with them of the cave just to see what we're working with,
makes
and
sense.
then we decided, okay, for this main area, we're going to place this so you can see the height. And I know Andre says we're placing them to look good, but it was just a basic requirement, or the camera wouldn't be able to see. So it wasn't just looking good, but being sure we capture. And the camera did an awesome job.